Welcome, dear friends. Today I will show you that's how you can change your YouTube channel art banner. For that, you can change in a 5 minutes. Just outside is too much sound. So let's go. How you can change your channel art. This is the channel art. So we can change it. So you have to go this website, Snappa. I provided you in my description below. By the descriptions you can go there. So first of this, you have to come here, and there are many things you have to do. You can do here. For the channel arts you have to do this. If you go backside from these, if you come, whenever you just sign up, that time this features will become. There is so many customizations you have to do. Wide and pixels, just create customizations. You have, if you do customize any kinds of your website, your PowerPoint, your projects, many things, Facebook ads, social media ads, there is many things. So we are showing that's YouTube. Here you can take a thumbnail, though thumbnail is very easy in Canva, but channel art is a little bit different from Canva. For that reasons we have to come here and snap up. So that reasons come here, that's the YouTube in channel art. Here you can come and pick up one of these slide if you want. This is very easy, and you can do hurry up for your channel apps, and quickly you can make your channel art. So that's my channel is like an entertainment. For that reasons I have to take entertainment channel arts. Okay, so okay, we can take this. Okay, here you can change this your channel. My channel name is Dingafa. Okay, I copy it and paste here, and I change its color. Okay, you can make it here. Here you can turn it down, right side, and everything. Okay, here you can mention your address. We didn't mention any address, we just clear it. Here also address. Pick here and write then. You can change it. Okay, just come and get refresh by watching Dingafa's collections. Okay, that's okay. Oh, that's not good. Okay, graphics. Okay, here you can delete it. You can delete it first. Here you can put it. Okay, that's good. Here also you can bring other pages. Upload images. This. Apply. Accept. It's not good. Upload. Here you can paste. Here you can paste again. You can bring. Okay, apply, accept. Select it. Let it come. Just drag and drop. Here you can drop it like this. Okay, you can put it here. Again, apply, accept. Bring it. Okay, done. Now you can download it. Here, a download button. Just download it. PNG or JPG. High res PNG. You can select it. Let's download it. I just saw in download it. Here is it. Okay, paste. Okay, just keep it. Okay, now we can change it. Now we can change the channel art of this. Okay, go there. Branding. Just come to branding and this change. Here is the channel art. You can click here and keep this. This will come. Okay. Done. That's the change. We also change this here. This 98. Okay. Publish. You can see what's happening. Okay, we can change also this link pictures thing. First, this it's a 98 pixel, 4 Mbps, 4 MB PNG. Use PNG or GIF. PNG. We can use this PNG. Okay. So let's move. What's happened to our channels? If we refresh it here, okay, all are changed. See, our channel is changed. By this way, you can change your any kinds of channels. Thank you for watching. If any kinds of issues you didn't change any your channels, just give your comments or give your anything else that I didn't get. That's link I will provide you. That's link. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for my channels. Already I have 1868 only refreshments in this video, just providing here the refreshment, and you can watch here this cinema. Though this is color is not good, but you can watch this and it's a funny movie. You can watch this. Thank you very much for watching this.